How does one make sure their hot chocolate doesn't scorch their tongue off? Hot chocolate is a beloved beverage enjoyed by people all over the world, especially during the colder months. However, it can also be a dangerous drink if not prepared and consumed properly. One of the most common issues with hot chocolate is that it can easily scorch your tongue if it's too hot, ruining the entire experience. So how can one make sure their hot chocolate doesn't scorch their tongue off? Let's explore some tips and tricks to enjoy a perfect cup of hot chocolate without the risk of burning your tongue. Use the right temperature. One of the most important things to keep in mind when making hot chocolate is the temperature of the drink. If the drink is too hot, it can easily scorch your tongue and cause burns. Ideally, the hot chocolate should be heated to a temperature of around 160 degrees F to 180 degrees F, which is hot enough to enjoy but not hot enough to burn your tongue. You can use a thermometer to measure the temperature, or you can simply test the temperature with a spoon or your finger. Use the right type of chocolate. The type of chocolate you use to make hot chocolate can also have an impact on the temperature and the flavor of the drink. Dark chocolate, for example, has a stronger flavor and a higher melting point than milk chocolate. This means that it can take longer to melt and requires a higher temperature to achieve the desired consistency. Milk chocolate, on the other hand, has a lower melting point and is more suitable for a milder, sweeter hot chocolate. You can experiment with different types of chocolate to find the right balance of flavor and temperature that works for you. Add milk or cream. Another way to reduce the temperature of the hot chocolate is to add milk or cream. These ingredients not only help to cool down the drink, but they also add a creamier texture and a richer flavor. You can use any type of milk or cream that you prefer, such as whole milk, almond milk, or coconut milk. Simply heat the milk or cream separately and add it to the hot chocolate after it has been heated. Stir regularly. Stirring the hot chocolate regularly while it's heating can help to distribute the heat evenly and prevent any hot spots from forming. Hot spots occur when the liquid in the pot or mug is heated unevenly, resulting in some areas being hotter than others. This can lead to scorching and burning of the tongue. By stirring the hot chocolate regularly, you can ensure that the heat is distributed evenly and that the drink is heated to the right temperature. Let it cool down. If you're in a rush to drink your hot chocolate, you might be tempted to take a sip as soon as it's ready. However, this can be a recipe for disaster, as the drink might still be too hot and can easily scorch your tongue. Instead, let the hot chocolate cool down for a few minutes before drinking. This will give the drink time to reach a more comfortable temperature and allow the flavors to develop fully. Serve in a suitable cup. The type of cup you use to serve your hot chocolate can also make a difference in how hot the drink feels. A ceramic mug, for example, will retain more heat than a paper cup or a plastic cup. If you're prone to burning your tongue, consider using a cup that is double-walled or has an insulated exterior. These types of cups can help to keep the drink at a comfortable temperature for longer. In conclusion, enjoying a cup of hot chocolate is one of life's simple pleasures. However, it's important to take precautions to prevent burns and scorching. By using the right temperature, the right type of chocolate, adding milk or cream, stirring regularly, letting it cool down before drinking and serving in a suitable cup, you can ensure that your hot chocolate is enjoyable and safe to consume. With these tips in mind, you can indulge in a delicious cup of hot chocolate without the fear of scorching your tongue off. So go ahead and cozy up with a warm mug of hot chocolate and savor every sip.